The squid meat is then processed with advanced machinery to create uniform round cuts, ideal for packaging or culinary use. The round pieces undergo a thorough rinse to ensure any remaining debris or surface residue is removed. The squid rings are briefly blanched to enhance their texture and preserve freshness before further processing. Handling station, lobsters are brought in for grading and sizing. On one end, workers pull lobsters from the tanks and place them on a conveyor belt. Some are sorted by hand, especially those with one claw or very small claws. These are known as culls and are separated from the premium catch. What is next? They're carefully loaded into a high-pressure processing HPP machine. This powerful machine uses 50,000 psi of pressure to humanely and instantly kill the lobsters. It's the fastest and most respectful method out there. It can cause serious injury. Additionally, rough seas and unpredictable weather make the job even tougher. Jumbo squid are drawn to the bright lights. At night, powerful LED lights are turned on to attract them. After days at sea, the fishing boat finally approaches the harbor, loaded with freshly caught jumbo squid. Workers begin unloading the squid from the vessel's cold storage area. The large plastic crates filled with squid are manually moved, carefully stacked to prevent any damage. The squids may also be lifted using crane nets equipped with a built-in weighing system, allowing the crew to measure the catch directly as it's hoisted from the ship. Then load the clean squid onto refrigerated trucks and move them to the processing plant. At the processing plant, freshly caught jumbo squids undergo a thorough quality inspection to ensure size, texture, and freshness. Filleting station, under a continuous stream of clean water from the spray system, workers skillfully remove the squid's skin, internal organs, and ink sacs. The workers then manually cut the squid to preserve its texture and aesthetic appeal. Did you know a single jumbo squid can grow up to 2 meters long and weigh 50 kilograms in just 2 years? These giants roam the deep ocean in massive schools, hunting through the night. But tonight, they're the ones being hunted. Join us as we explore the daring world of jumbo squid fishing. Jumbo squids are true night hunters, traveling in massive schools to hunt more effectively. But when food gets scarce, they can turn aggressive, even eating each other. They grow incredibly fast, reaching up to 2 meters long and weighing as much as 50 kilograms. Right after harvesting, the sea cucumbers are placed in seawater tanks to keep them fresh. They must reach the factory within 6 hours. If delayed, sea cucumbers can lose up to 20% of their weight due to jumbo squid, also known as Humboldt squid, are typically found in deep waters, mostly off the coasts of South America and Mexico. To catch jumbo squid, fishermen use large commercial vessels. After locating the massive schools of squid, fishermen then use specialized jigging machines to drop multiple hooks into the water. These hooks, equipped with shiny lures, mimic the movements of prey, enticing the squid to strike. Smaller fishing boats also join the action. Fishermen manually use large hand lines, each with multiple barbed hooks. As they feel the weight of a catch, they pull the lines with practiced skill to haul the squid on board. Jumbo squid fishing can be dangerous. These powerful creatures thrash violently when caught, and their sharp beaks. Now, the Netherlands, Germany, Hungary, and Poland are the leaders in European catfish farming. For example, the Netherlands produces over 15,000 tons per year, almost all African catfish, using RAS, recirculating aquaculture systems. Catfish so popular in Europe because it's efficient to grow. African catfish, with just 1.2 kilogram of feed, you can get 1 kilogram of fish, much better than many other farmed fish. It also grows fast. In 6-8 months, African catfish can reach 1.5 kilogram, which is perfect for market size. Inside the factory, it's a mix of precision and speed. Conveyor belts carry the fish to automated gutting and filleting machines. A skilled worker can manually fillet up to 200 fish per hour. But modern plants with automated lines handle thousands every hour. The fillets are trimmed to remove even the tiniest bones because European consumers demand near 100% boneless fillets.